And it is always an honor and privilege to be with our father and the father and the secretary. And stop making noise, please. Fan making noise. I will start with you. It is always an honor and privilege to be with our father of Africa and former President Olusegun Obasanjo. Baba's impact and reach is monumental and far-reaching. His robust record as the president and historical. His roles as the secretary to and the full round. That's when we have the first communication in Nigeria, whereby everybody, even your driver, your cook, can even have, DSL, as a matter. Let's give a big round of applause. And again, Baba, as a prudent administrator, now introduced EFCC. And anytime everybody heard that EFCC, you wait your back. That when you leave office, whatever that you do, you might catch up with you. And of course, Baba told us to have what we call integrity. When you say you will do something, you need to do it. I like that, Baba. When everybody was saying that I can't too much, I said too much, I can't too much. Baba will call me my son and declare you as my dancing partner. And Baba encouraged me, and he said, don't listen to anybody. As well, you are dancing and you are performing. I won't do it. Everybody tried to stop me from dancing. And he said, because a lot of people feel in Nigeria when you are a governor or a senator or something, you should not express your personal self. And I don't believe that that's on me. But when you call me, say, go ahead and dance. Even I will dance with you. I will let the whole world know that you are my dancing partner. And of course, since you are performing,